Dr. Williams, and I am here to assist you in understanding how to navigate your Psychology 1101 course. This is your home page. Yes, it may look different depending on your instructor, but overall, the information is the same. To the left, you will find links. These are the links that will assist you the greatest in understanding the course. The course information section contains your syllabus, email information to contact your instructor, how to do this in written format, your grade if you need to check your progress. The resource section was put here just to assist you a little bit further and to help you in understanding some of the material required in Psych 1101. The textbook, as you know, is a free textbook that was published by OpenStax. You can purchase it for about $38, but you don't have to. You can actually use your textbook online, PDF format, or just on your screen. APA writing style. APA is required in your writing. The format is required in your writing here at Lanier Tech for your psychology class. We are aware that everybody does not know how to write in APA format. Therefore, we require that you purchase the little yellow book called the APA Pocket Handbook. This book will assist you in how to properly format your APA references and citations in your text and in your critical thinking assignment. Interactive flashcards. Some of you still like flashcards. It's okay. We put this here for you. Click this link and a website will open that will assist you in seeing flashcards, definitions, content area, and even a quiz. How to study for psychology, understanding Blackboard, and techniques to prepare for exams are just useful tools. PowerPoint. This is a very important section because it gives you some great detail. Classroom lecture PowerPoints are the greatest PowerPoints that you can use to understand the information. Also remember, they can be used on your final exam. I suggest printing them and using them to take notes. This is the section that you will use if you are in the class. Print these and your instructor will usually teach from this PowerPoint. Your book PowerPoint, you can print them, but I've found that they're not as useful as the classroom PowerPoint. PowerPoint by topic. Some of you may want to review certain sections that we've covered. The PowerPoints listed here will allow you to do so. Fun PowerPoint. Again, this is a section that allows you to pinpoint certain content areas that you need more information. Course assignments and due dates. Weekly assignments is where you will click to find your weekly assignments and their due dates. The entire course is open. You can see your due dates and you can see the title of each chapter. How do you find your assignments, you ask? Click on the week and there you have it. Objectives, helpful notes, perspective, a video just because some of you like to watch and you are a visual learner, and then here are your discussions. How do I do my discussions? Click on chapter 1. Create a thread. Give it a title. I've taken the time to type my assignment in Word to make sure I had everything correct. I then copy, Control V, and I paste. Submit. I have now completed the first section of my assignment. Now, I have to go to the second part. I think it says something about respond to 2 people in 150 words. I'll click someone. Let's just click myself. You cannot respond to yourself, but for this example, I'll click myself. I click, I read the response. Very interesting. I take my response, again written in Word to ensure that I do not make mistakes. I click reply, Control V, and voila. Submit. I have now responded successfully to a learner. I have to do this one more time, and then I've met the requirements for this discussion. Now I have to go back because I had one more that needs to be done. I'll do the same thing I did previously. Create a thread, read the instructions, toast, and submit. I am now complete in regards to my requirements for discussion 1 and 1A. You will do this every week that you have a discussion. Please be mindful, some things are not discussion. Some items are actually assignments. How do I do an assignment? Let's go check. I read the directions, I completed my assignment in Word and saved it to my computer. I then browsed my computer for my assignment. I found it. I submit and submit. I now have my assignment submitted for Research Chapter 2, Psychology 1101. Many of you are also asking in regards, or many of you are asking questions in regards to critical thinking. Let me explain your critical thinking assignment. Critical thinking is a research assignment that you must complete. The critical thinking is a project that you get to develop, nurture, and create. I suggest completing a research project on something or a topic that interests you. Maybe you like social media. Maybe you like infidelity. Maybe you like stress and health. Whatever your topic you may choose, you use that format and that question to create your project. The directions are outlined here in great detail. Again, you have to use APA format. Need an example? Your paper should look like this. As you can see, you are required to have references, at least 2, a method section, which was really a detailed account of what you did to prepare and collect the data in your research. The results section, what did you find out? It must include 3 graphs. It must also include 3 variables. Independent variables can be manipulated. Age, gender, sex, race, religion, children or no children. The list can go on and on. Then you should have a discussion section. What would you do different? What was wrong? What did you find out beyond your results section? In your results section, make sure you include things beyond your chart. You're supposed to have at least 10 questions on your survey, so your information should have a wealth of content because you've got 25 people who gave you different information. Make sure it's included. And then don't forget your reference page in proper APA format. You don't want to lose points for things like that. Your exams. As you can see, your exams are listed and they're usually every 3 chapters. You have 60 minutes, 50 questions. Your final exam will be taken here at Lanier Tech, the Oakwood campus, December 13th between the hours of 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. You are allowed to come between that time anytime. There is no time frame on your final exam. You are required to bring a pencil and Scantron sheet, which can be purchased at the bookstore. Also, you can use your notes, PowerPoint, and handouts on your final exam. So take good notes and print out anything you think that may be valuable as you progress through this course. Haven and alcohol education. This is a separate file because it's required in 2 parts. The first part, you must register your email, and name in the system. Second, you must complete the series by September 15th. Within 30 to 45 days from September 15th, you will receive an email that says you can start the second part. Complete the second part of the series. After you've completed the second part, you are now ready to complete the one-page summary on what you learned through the series. Simply complete the paper and submit your paper to the Dropbox. Again, browse my computer, find my paper, and submit. Once you complete that, you have completed your assignment for Haven and Alcohol Education. I hope this helps you. If not, feel free to contact your instructor for further information. Welcome to PSYC 1101, and I wish you all the best.